she says to you when you're alone together, my imagination is so cruel, picturing you holding hands and doing the things that we planned, sharing everything day and night, making memories. You're playing love scenes without me, and she's got my role, starring as your leading lady, stealing the show. I want to be with you forever. We belong together, but my affection was too strong. I played